What's going on? How are you? Welcome to the channel. Thank you for watching and thank you for dropping by. Nolasco here. In this channel we talk about lifestyle and sneaker related stuff. And if you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing. And welcome back for another sneaker invest slash unboxing update with the one that I purchased on the Nike by You, because I did two transactions and I did a separate video, but now I would like to put them together. Also another sneaker update with the Auto Max. So with that being said, let's do this. So before we dive into the sneaker invest, I would like to do a little bit update with the Auto Max. And the first one I did with this one is I did the unboxing and show it to you what are something on it. And now feel like it's more better because did the Onfoot review. This is gonna be a little bit Onfoot review also. And as you can see on the video, there is more into it than holding them in hand. First one is the top toe box. Here is sock like material. It's very soft. Based on some of the reviews on the YouTube, they don't like it because this is just a plain like socks, and there is a room that will show your like it showing something when you are moving right there, but it's not that noticeable. Also, one thing more is because that it is too much height of this one, it might be probably not good for those who were get easily off balance, and that is why they don't like it. Because also that's not much wide and then a little bit high compared to the Air Force One. As you can see, so Air Force One is already high top. I mean, the midsole is already high. So based on that, I like it also. On this one is one thing more I noticed, it the one that we saw somewhere in videos like the Back to the Future, the one is lace this up. It lace this up. But this one, it doesn't lace up. It only some kind of tightness inside. And also, if you notice the video, that there is, when you put it already this shoe, it will automatically tighten up a little bit. It's not goes tight the way you want to. So you have to press the plus button to tighten up a little bit more. But other than that, I like it though. That's about it on this one. So if you would like to buy some of this, probably is the best way now because it's not selling out. You might regret it when it goes up price and some celebrity or some basketball player wearing them, and the hype will go up, and then you'll get mad again because reseller selling them for more higher. So goodbye if you really want some kind of new kind of shoe that look like same what like the Back to the Future shoes for retail. Update with this Air Force One Nike by You. I'm so happy with this purchase because I got what I like, the color. Here you go. So we got the Union and we got the Dior. And today yesterday I just received an email because I really wanted to buy the Jordan 1 Dior, but looks like they're not gonna sell it. Probably they might gonna do a shock drop. But this one, what I love about this one is the uniqueness of the snake skin. Also, they have a different kind of leather that they put on, especially in the toe box, and then different size, a different kind of leather around here. As you can see, it may crinkle a little bit in there, right here, and right there. But looking into those, there's no crinkle. Compare it to some of my collection of the Air Force One. there's no crinkle right there, and also this one is also different material, but it doesn't wrinkle or crinkle on this inside. I bet there are much more different kind of leather that they put in, but this one, it's almost just like the same on this one. Okay, other than that, I really like this one compared to that one, because I really want to have that Dior, especially the icy bottom right there. Really nice color. And also the Junior, simple yet more attractive for me. But if I really want to go more a little bit somewhat different, then this one is really nice also. And okay, size wise, I went different sizes. This one is 10.5, and I went on here is 10. So there's not much a bigger complaint on that one, because I'm size 10.5. Used to be like if you are into Air Force One, you have to go lower 1/2 size or half a size. So did that calculation, so I did 10.5, and this one is 10. Not too much complaint I could do, and it's also a low top, so I could do a little bit more thicker socks. But other than that, happy with this both two of Nike Bayou, and especially, you know me, I didn't pay for retail on this boat, so I paid less than that because I had a 20% discount. All right, let's move on to the sneaker invest. Okay, so this is the sneaker invest episode, wherein this is, I would say, the riskiest move that I made. Because if you've seen my video, I would love to have some kind of more less discount. Also, if I wanted to buy invest into a retail, I would like to have more data, something like that I would like to maximize my investment. And part of it of investing is trying new something. If I made a mistake, then I learn from it. So this is the new and the risky move that I made. So I went all in for a family size of the Air Jordan 11 Retro Low. So I went in for the men's, GS, PS, and toddler. Okay, so here is the toddler, smaller ones, the GS, and the men's size. Actually, I only bought men's size 12 and 10.5, and it's my size. Well, just in case, you know. But the main thing why we are talking about the investment here, and also the risky move that I did, is a lot of people don't like it. I don't know why, but I like it, because when we're talking about some kind of shoe that everyone don't like it, some they don't like it because they just show it on, they saw it on the picture, and when they saw someone wearing them, they're like, wow, that's really nice shoe. Now, for me, in my opinion, this is a good shoe per se, because you're getting one shoe for the two kind of shoe that they really wanted. So a combination of two shoes, so it's a win-win situation. That's for me, because we got a the toe box, the patent also, and the red bottom right here. Another combination is the combination of bread and Concord. So why not, right? It doesn't make sense for everyone, because they said they wanted to have just the plain one Concord, they wanted to have just the plain bread. Well, it's their opinion. In my opinion also, it's like shooting one bullet with two birds, something like that. Yeah, does it make sense? So two shoes incorporated in one shoe, why not, right? And also there's not much going on with the Concord, because the Concord has some kind of blue or icy bottom and red, black and white, so not bad. And I don't know what's going on with them. It's their opinion. Now it's my opinion. This is my blog. All right. So I see there's nothing wrong with it. I like the color also. You can't go wrong with the black, white, and red bottom, especially the Concord. It well yellow, and this one doesn't yellow. So what's wrong with it? And incorporate with the Concord white top here and the paneling of the toe box, patent leather all around on the back, also on the side, the lateral side, the medial side, and it looks really clean. Now the risky move that I'm doing also with this one is the price a little bit high for investment, and also a little bit risky because it is family size, because also they made a lot. Now the price may go up, the price may not gonna go up or maintain the price, but some of it might gonna dip, especially when some of the reseller, as you can see right here, the graph shows before the drop, before the release it's still high, and then when people getting them, it will drop. So eventually Jordans do tend to do well like that, because some of them they didn't got them, so they buy resell. But when some reseller got their own and then they wanted to let it go, that immediately they sold a loss. I don't know what's going on with this reseller thing, but it's their money, it's my money, I don't care. All right, now based now on the data, okay, that's why I don't like prediction. Based on the data, for example, in a Jordan 11 Bread, last sale was $349. That is the 10.5. Let's check out size 12. Last sale was $375. So this shoe is $185 plus tax, so somewhere around $200. Now if we wanted to sell them for a loss, some of reseller sold them for $215. What? Let's try to sell it to someone is asking for $232. The highest bid is $205, so that's a loss if you sell it on $205. Now let's sell it to $235. Now if we sell it to $235, as you can see right there, $235, then after the transaction fee at 8%, processing payment of 3%, only making a $209. So minus 200 minus 209 minus 200, it's just like $9. So why would these people invest in $200 to make $200 a pair of shoe to make $9? It doesn't make sense, right? So it is a loss for them. Even though they make money like $9, they will still lose. I mean, yeah, it's still a loss for them, because how many hours, how many effort you put into this and you're just making $9? That doesn't make sense. So it is a risky move for me, because the price is not that good right now. But with the data that I'm seeing, with the 11 bread, they are selling, the last sale is $375, and someone asking for the lowest was asking for is $440. That is the data that I'm looking right now, and maybe it will eventually go up. Looking also on the data on the smaller sizes, this one is selling much better rather than the men's size. The data show that there is a money to be made, but it will take a while. It will take long, like maybe 6 a year. With that, I would say it is a really risky move, but I didn't put a lot of money into it, just in case it will not sell out that quickly. I still have some other else to invest into it. So what do you think on this risky investment? First one in this blog that I did, this risky move. So what do you think? Can you please leave a comment down below? Would you like this one? Would you like keep them for personal or for resale or investment? Alright, so with that being said, thank you for watching. I hope you learned something for this kind of risky investment today, and I hope you like the new update or the Air Force One and the Automax. And if you really like it, please leave a thumbs up, and if you really like it, please leave a comment down below. Subscribe if you haven't. I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Mag-ingat po kayo. Bye-bye.